I'm just gonna go walk around, peeking in the window. It's getting dark out. Because outside it says, it's been saying that since 2015. It's been saying that since 2015. It's a darn shame. There's even bus. There's I think from the outside there's one direction that's all on both sides. Someone obviously broke into them or something. I gotta be careful. These cars are working around. Someone actually, see, the family just didn't want nothing to do with the business anymore, so. But yeah, I think this was a car at one time. This was a gas station at one time. I don't know. You can pretty much see inside from here. Yeah, because I remember the owner of the property uncle passed away in 2015. It's sad. It's very sad. I don't know. How am I going to help? I guess I couldn't. I don't want to be. It's probably wild. I don't want to be people's. Probably where this is. Close to the television now. Look at all the temperature and shit. Just the reason why I'm back here. It was a good idea in the first place, but bump on. Oopsie. I'm more up in town. Nom. Oh, I gotta be careful. Here. Listen.